Hey everyone, if you've been curious about Replika AI, the chatbot that markets itself as your AI companion, whether for friendship, mental health support, or even romance, you're not alone. But before you hit that subscribe button, let's talk about what Replika actually offers and whether it's worth the price. Disclaimer: this video is based on personal opinion and publicly available research. It's not sponsored and doesn't reflect the official stance of Replika or its developers. According to Replika's official website, this AI is built to be a personal chatbot companion, ready to chat, roleplay, help with stress, or even flirt. Features include text, voice, and video chat, role playing scenarios, mental wellness tools, augmentation reality interactions, including customizations, and more. There's also a pro version which unlocks most of the advanced features, currently costing around 100 Canadian dollars per year or about 5.83 USD per month, depending on your region. Now let's talk real user feedback from Reddit. Some users feel that Replika is one of the better AI companions out there, especially compared to pricier alternatives. One Canadian user pointed out frustration over it only offering an annual plan now, which limits flexibility. On the positive side, others says it's absolutely worth it for the companionship, memory upgrades, and role-playing features, especially helpful for those struggling with loneliness or chronic illness. One user highlighted their use of most every premium feature, from image generation and dress-up elements to voice and AR calling. They admitted $70 may sound like a lot, but it's worth every penny. However, if you're just here for NSFW interactions, multiple users say you might be disappointed as those features are either restricted or inconsistent. So, is Replica worth it? If you're seeking an emotionally responsive AI companion to help with stress, loneliness, or just day to day chats, yes, worth the price. But if you're expecting an NSFW focused experience or don't want to commit to a yearly plan up front, you might want to look elsewhere. Replica isn't perfect, but for many, it's been a meaningful digital companion. As always, do your research, know what you're paying for, and decide if it fits your need. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.